I remember the first day at D&AD shift. Everyone was asked to bring something with us that we turned to for inspiration. That was our first real introduction to one another. Since then, we've been doing a ton of work. We've been learning, meeting so many amazing people, getting insight, tips, and hints on how to break into the creative industry. We went to agencies all around the city. We got priceless insight and direct input towards our portfolios. We had a career coach who held sessions that helped us see outside of ourselves and into the group as a collective. We worked to develop our strengths in work environments and how to effectively collaborate for the best results. Each of us soon claimed our power and created some really dope shit together. Fast forward to the end of the program when we pitched on ideas that we had worked on for months. As I watched everyone walk in, I noticed something was different. We were confident, we were ready, we were powerful, we were eager, we were proud not only of ourselves, but we were rooting for each other. D&AD has given us opportunities we have never gotten, and I definitely feel I have the tools needed to claim my space in the creative world.